Recording is on.
It is the 16th of October, 2022. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. Past week, I can't think of anything I did, except I did, I have been for a while in communication with someone who's going to work on my sister. And my plan is to try out a couple of the devices, so build them before she comes and try them out. And your microphone's flipped down. And let's see, coming week, it'll have to be the same. So build those devices and get them on the cistern, and that may be the following week because I'm doing a half marathon in Vancouver on Saturday. And let's see, I think, coming week, actually I want to update your program because I think you've updated it since I downloaded the version. So I want to set it up with my second ESP32, or that was the first one that I was using, the ultrasonic, or the IR infrared distance finder on. Take that off, put the LiDAR on it, and okay, so that's kind of the coming week. And update the software, do some of the red tapes things maybe, and blocks. So blocks maybe, yes, I may be camping in Vancouver for a while, as well as, and that's supposed to happen this week, but it might be next. And I'm doing this half marathon in Vancouver, and there's no accommodation near it, so I think I'm going to camp on the start line. And that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. I like the thing about camping on the starting line. Last week, I got the stand-up posted for 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately, that's about all I got done. I'm not going to read through next week because it's the same stuff that I've wanted to do next week for the last month and a half or so. Blocks, still my part-time job is taking more time than I was hoping. Still hurting from the tennis elbow, and obviously I'm having trouble with motivation. And I guess that's about it. Back to you.
Okay, so I'm going to give myself, actually I'm going to add something that we both did, which was I think during the last week's meeting, we dealt with the issue about Dropbox, and we both were successfully uploaded the stand-up from yours from the week before and me from last week. So that's another thing. So I'm going to give myself a 5. And the team a 7, and various kinds of things to prepare for new people is my proposal for better process improvement. And that's it for me.
Okay. Retro, I got 1 point out of 3, plus I showed up, so I'm going to give myself a 4 out of 10, 7 for the team, I agree. And outreach as the process improvement, I must still agree, although I don't seem to be getting anything done on that or anything else, but such is life. Anything you want to do on crosstalk recorded?
Yeah, not recorded.
Okay, give me a second.